Hey guys, so another video for the Freelander today. So following Billing, the off-road show, the Freelander very courageously finished the course, but it did sustain some damage, primarily at the moment the exhaust is what I'm focusing on today. So I have a lovely new exhaust down here. Now this was very kindly sent to me by APD again, so a huge thank you has to go out to them for doing that. They managed to do same day delivery, so I got it Friday, ready for the weekend now to get it done, so I only get the sort of Sunday to do work now. So really good of them, they got it all out to me on that same Friday, so that is ready to go on now. So yeah, got the whole thing. So effectively on mine, this was damaged, well the centre box was damaged and the back box was damaged, so I've had to sort of bodge it together with sort of straight bits of pipe that we found, etc. So that's all on there for the time being, so we're going to get that one off and we're going to get this new one on. So the only actual bolts on the system are going to be on this flange here, so they're going to be the only sort of bolts we have to undo. The rest is just done on hangers. So there's 3 hangers, you've got 1 coming off the cat just there and 2 on the back box. So just make sure you've got 3 hangers, and then obviously you're going to have to get a crimp to go between them. Obviously I've got clamps on mine at the moment, so I'll be able to recycle those onto these ones. But other than that, we are ready to go. So coming in under the vehicle, you can see the flange here, which is the one we're going to have to undo. There's the sort of exhaust hanger there, there's another one there. That one I believe is actually broken at the moment, so that one broke at Billing, but I'm not massively concerned about that one because I'm going to have the one there and the 2 at the back holding it more steady. So this is effectively what we're replacing now. This is the bodged bit of straight piping, etc., and it is all very loose and not really sealed in any way, shape, size or form. So we're just going to go ahead and replace the whole system. Okay, so we're underneath at the flange now. So on mine, these 2 nuts are 14 and the one there is a 15 for some reason. But we're going to get these all undone now and get this separated. Right, so we're just undoing the back box section, which was just a bodged bit of pipe. Once that's out, all of this rest bit is actually loose already, so we're hoping this is just going to drop out in dramatic fashion. So if I come back here, yeah, oh, you got it. Lovely. Right, there we go. So this was the bodged back box section. I love a good bodge. So just going to undo this one, pull this back bit off, and then that bit will sort of it'll make it easier to drop it out through there and get the new one in. So let's get that undone. Ow. So I'm going to believe this bit here is top. I've got the hook here, obviously to go to that. So I believe it's effectively this way round over there. So
just plug it in.
reckon they didn't put anything on there at all, which is crazy. Whether that's original or not, I mean, with having a odd nuts, I'd imagine not original. And now a bit for the other side. Ooh, look at that. It's like Karamak, isn't it?
Oh, you remember that.
You just want to put it through that way, I reckon. I mean, it goes on. Okay, so there's our midsection bolted in and hangered on the. You can see, you can't see the hangers on the other side there, but that's in now. Be prepared to use your own bolts on the flange. We just got some on there for now. The studs on mine, we just couldn't press out. Tried pressing out, but they were just too soft and just broken off and everything. So got some good bolts in there for now, but that's the midsection on. So now it's just the rear section, which is a bit easier. It's just 2 hangers and obviously the sleeve to go over onto this midsection. So as you can see, the midsection comes out here, and the back box starts where that left hanger is. So it's just going to slide onto there, do up the clamp, and then the other hook is up there. So you've got one hook there, just above that bit, and you've got one hook just over on that side. So we're sliding it in and hooking it on. Okay, so that's that one on there. So I've got the Powerflex bush there, and there's the back box coming down, and there's the joint in there. Let's try and get that a better angle. There's this join in there. So just using the clamp. I mean, this back box, please ignore the towing cable bit there, seems a bit smaller than the standard one that I had before, which is good. It sits a lot higher up. The previous back box I had, from here you could see it drop down. It would actually come down here, which is why I probably think I bashed it. So this one sits up a lot neater. Same as the cat in the midsection box. If you look at them from the profile of the underneath, you can't see them. They're much more tucked up than what I had before. So the standard middle box was probably bigger than this box even on the old one, and the cat was quite a bit bigger as well. If I show you the cap on the old one, it's quite a big old unit compared to there, and then you compare that to the newer unit, my hand is probably almost bigger than that one. So whether this is just a higher quality system or the previous one was just horrendous, but yeah, this one seems a lot neater, a lot more tucked up and away than the previous one, which is probably why I bashed it to pieces doing the off-road course. But yeah, that's it all on. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, hopefully it's useful. Like I say, it's just those 3 bolts on the flange and then just the hooks. And when you're getting this in, we found to get the back bit in there, just bringing the exhaust out towards this side, towards the passenger side, and just hooking it in and rotating it, and then you could get it in over the axle and then bring it up, hook it onto there, and then do those bolts up. So get it on this hook first, and then from there push it forward into those. But other than that, yeah, nice easy job. Just sort of take into account the age of your vehicle and probably got like rust and things and replacing bolts, etc. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that one, and let's go on to the next one.